Entrepreneurs, business owners, corporate executives, I got a question for you. What's the determining factor in whether you rent or you buy your office or retail space, warehouse space for your business? You see, there's an actual formula called user decision analysis that can help you make a financial decision and allow you to let the numbers help you to decide whether you should lease or whether you should buy. You see, there is no one clear-cut answer on whether you should lease or whether you should buy your business space. Because for some businesses, it may be better to lease, and for some, it might be better to buy. You know, some people like to lease because they want to stay nimble and they want to have cash to invest into their operations. Some people want to buy because they want a homestead, a headquarters, a place to pay off in 20 to 30 years as part of the business plan, as part of their asset base. So there's really no one answer. However, there is a formula, and this is called user decision analysis, that we all can use to help us to make a better decision, a wiser decision to guide us in terms of making your decision to lease or to buy. So why don't you message me and let's schedule time to talk or sit down and meet and discuss your next move, and let's help you to make the best move for you and your company.